Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most ooey gooey, melt in your mouth candied yams. This recipe is a classic. You don't want to miss it. Before I begin, if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe. Like this video for me if you enjoy it. Let's dive in. We're going to start by using about 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. I am going to start off by peeling them. And best way is to use a bag so you can just have an easy cleanup. Once you're done peeling all of your potatoes, you are going to cut them into thinly sliced, about 1/2 inch. Okay, something like this. And these, I'm gonna cut them in the middle because they are humongous. And I have a quick question. My sweet potatoes are already turning black, as you can see. Y'all know the reason why. If you do, please leave it below because I don't know why. Maybe because of the starch, I have no idea. All right, guys, now that I have my sweet potatoes nice and cut up, I am going to add it to some water. You have to rinse them because they have a lot of starch. It'll be more pleasant to eat if you give them a quick rinse. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna rinse it again and we should be ready to go. All right, now we're going to make our delicious syrup. So I have a saucepan on medium-high heat. I'm adding 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, we're going to add another 1/2 stick of butter in here. So 1 1/2 stick of butter should do it. Now I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We have pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. Also, we have some ginger, 1/4 teaspoon. Oh, it smells so good already. Ooh, and actually this is my favorite side, especially on Thanksgiving. I'm adding about, let's see, the whole orange juice. I was thinking about half, but we'll add the whole juice of an orange in here. So if you want to measure this, about 1/4 cup, maybe. Give that a quick mix. Mix that up real quick. Also, I'll be adding some Haitian bourbon. It's a rum. You can add bourbon to it if you like, but this is a Haitian rum. It's so good. I'm going to add about, we'll say, a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Oh, it's the whole thing. Okay. We're just gonna wait till that is nice and melted, the butter, because we want to turn it off before we add this in. So, oh, almost forgot, we have some salt here as well, a little pinch of salt to balance all the sweetness we got going on. And now I'm adding, turn that off and add your rum. Oh yes. Ooh, the aroma in here is already crazy. Wait till this whole thing start baking and pretty much your syrup is ready to go. This is how it's supposed to look. Nice and velvety, as you can see, smooth. Oh yes. All right, now, I told y'all I want to taste this so bad, but it was too hot. You got to taste your food. Come on now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You already know this is about to be so good. The rum definitely did something to it. So I have my sweet potatoes nice and pat dry. I am going to lay them in my baking dish. Something like this, trying to even them out, you know. Trying to move as fast as I can because we ain't got all day here. So we're going to pour that velvety, delicious syrup on there. I guarantee you never had candied yams like that before. Like, if you wanna wow your guests, this is not even done yet, and I know it's going to be so bomb. So try this out, okay? Trust and believe. Try this out. You will not regret it. So I have that nice and layered up. I'm going to pour that syrup right over. Ooh, yes, ma'am. This is going to be so good. Oh, this makes me want to share this recipe with you guys, literally serve you guys a plate. And I know it's going to be so good. That's how I feel right now. I want to just give each and every one of you guys a plate right now. This is my favorite thing to eat on Thanksgiving Day, by the way. All right, now that we have that nice and done, do we even need to add any more butter? I don't think so. We're just going to cover this and bake it. I'm just adding a little bit more cinnamon just so it can look very pretty. Once it's done, I'm going to cover it, bake it for 30 minutes, and uncover it, bake it for another 20 to 30 minutes. By the way, I am baking this on 350. I'll see you guys back here in about 45 minutes. All right, guys, our candied yams is done. It is looking so good. The aroma in the house right now is to die for. I don't think you ever made anything like this before, because this right here is 1,000 out of 10. Trust me, this Thanksgiving, try this out. You will not regret it. Ooey gooey, cinnamony, that rum, so bomb. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. Please make this recipe, because people will call you next year and say, hey, save me a plate of that candied yam. It's that good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like if you want to try it. Subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.